Hey, we've been gone for a while and I thought you guys might like to know what's going on in French class. So I made this video so I could tell you a little bit about it and help you know what to expect. So we're not going back to school in the building, but we're still learning here online. And so here's my information here at the top where it says contact me anytime. You can do what it says. Anytime you can email me at aolinger@gckschools.com, or you can call me at the phone number listed below here, 620-842-8613. My specific office hours every day will be from 9 to 10 and 12 to 1. I will be actively in those hours sitting and waiting for calls and answering emails, but you can, like I said, call me or contact me anytime. If I don't answer, leave a message and I'll get back to you. So you can see what we're doing next week for French 3. So I would like you both to email me and tell me when you'll be available to do a Skype meeting so that we can talk about your cartoons for the Notre Dame de Paris story. I'm suggesting maybe on Tuesday, so if you both have time that you're free on Tuesday, email me and let me know, and we'll set that up. On Monday, we're going to read a story, and then you're going to watch a video, or sorry, listen to a recording of the story as I read it. We're going to have an oral review, and I'm going to ask you some questions, and then we'll write a paragraph, translate it, and read it like we always do with all of our paragraphs that we write. I'm suggesting on Tuesday maybe we plan what we're going to do for the story, the cartoon, and on Wednesday we're going to do a Zoom activity. You're in French 3, so you will be at 1 o'clock. You don't have to attend that, but if you don't attend that, then there will be another assignment that gets posted for you to do. The music vote is due on Wednesday, and then we'll also have another music vote that's due on Friday. On Thursday, we won't be having anything we're going to do to meet. We'll just have you guys work on the cartoon unless we decide there's something else that needs to happen, and we'll do that as we need to. Friday is another activity we're going to do. We'll have the second music vote, and then we'll do a couple of paragraphs, reading paragraphs about people and see if we can guess who they are. And then when you're done, we will do an extra credit Zoom that day at whatever time. I'll try and figure out a good time for it. We'll either play Monopoly, do Quizlet Live, or something like that. And you can use that if you need any extra credit or if you want to make up some missing assignments. If you have any questions for me, like I said, here at the top, here's my information. You can email me or call me and leave a message at any time. And if you want to get a hold of me, you can also try the 9 to 10 and 12 to 1 Monday through Friday for my official office hours. Thank you.